To add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we need to scroll down a little bit, and then we should be able to find the lock screen and AOD. In here, choose screen lock and biometrics, enter the screen lock password, and you should be able to find biometrics options in here, including the fingerprints. So you're gonna go to the fingerprints, tap on continue, then we can choose register, and then we can tap, well, we need to hold our finger over here inside this circle, and then once it is highlighted, we need to lift your finger. And there we go. Just keep doing this all the time. There we go. Just keep doing this, and of course try to scan as much as your finger as possible. There we go. You might also see some tips over here at the top. So we need to keep doing this until it is, of course, completed. There we go. If you want to, you can add another fingerprint. And if you are done, just tap on done, and that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.